Gentlemen, brothers, architects of the future, sit back. This one is from my ladies. Moms, daughters, nieces, aunties, I've got a special message for you. I am so excited. I just got through having a meeting with a lovely lady from my networking group, and she's asking me questions. How do I approach sharing what I do, the work I do, with other women in her life who are parents, right? And looking at, they're protective and sensitive too. And a couple other guys actually asked me, how do I bring up masculinity? How do I bring up helping guys? How do I bring up these conversations? Because guys can be so sensitive. Why I'm excited, because divine timing, everything in its place. I just released yesterday a set of master classes. I've dropped these 3 mini master classes covering holistic health, sex, dating, and relationships, manhood and masculinity. My bread and butter. I basically stripped out all the key elements of my biggest programs and wanted to make something available. The thought was like Secret Santa, right? They're $10 a piece. Easily something, because I actually had a Secret Santa gifting today, and you always put the minimal, or what is the maximum that you can spend. And so I'm like, yeah, that'll be perfect. So I've actually got them bundled together. Man of Action Starter Pack, $19.99, right? I tell her this, her eyes lit up. She's like, oh my God, that's perfect. Because we were literally going over a list of, okay, what do you approach? All right, so what's important to the guy? Masculinity. Who am I? What's he up to? What's important to him? Okay, well, the parents are so protective. I don't want to be telling him that he's got problems or he needs to be fixed. Like, okay, got it. Well, what's important to them? Well, they care about him. Have they talked to him? And I'm always big on the men's health. So I was telling her about the conversation. Guys don't have anybody to talk to. Does he have a circle of friends? Does he have accountability? And then bing, it dawned on me. I'm like, the master classes. Yes, it's Secret Santa. Ladies, I've been doing this literally with you in mind, because so many women come to me. Do you have anything for my son? Do you have anything for my brother? Oh, I've got an uncle over here. 'Tis the season for giving. And I have to acknowledge you, ladies, because you are so more connected, nurturing, kind, giving in that way by default, just by your feminine energy. So with that, this is just for you. I've got the exact gift that you need. These masterclasses are going to be perfect. Full HD video. I am dropping my heart into it. This is nothing watered down. I literally took the principles right out of my programs, recorded it, easy to understand, digest at home. You can gift it to them. Go ahead and hit the link down below. Go to the store. You'll see all 3 of them. And this is the special, right? Going until Christmas, you get that Man of Action Starter Pack at $19.99. So you get all 3 and get the savings. I know you love a deal. Thank me later.